How to insert a vertical line in Word. Hey guys, this is Lucy and let's get started. So, first, in order to draw or insert a vertical line, you need to go to Insert and go to Shapes. Here in the drop down menu, click on Line under Lines. After that, press Shift and drag your cursor, and that's how you make a perfect vertical line. After that, you will be taken to a new tab called Shape Format. Here are different ways to style this. So you just need to double click this, and there are options like changing the color of the line, changing the weight of the line, changing the style of the line. Like you can change into dots or dashes, or you can also change this line into arrows. There is another option called shape effects. Here you can change the effect of the line with all these options. And that's it. That's how you insert a vertical line in Word. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and meet you guys in the next video.